Welcome to Souflotv again, everybody. It's your host of the most. So, this video clip that you're about to see, right, is a video clip of this girl, or not girl, a big woman, but female. You know what I said? She's in England, right? And remember, I did a video recently where I said, yo, when you're going overseas as a Jamaican, right, put your best foot forward. Bring your best self. Left the bugoyaga part of yourself a yard, right? Because more than likely, what you show out there is what they use to judge all of us. They paint all of us with one brush. So it doesn't matter if me come up and I say, yes, I'm Mr. So-and-so and I'm this and that. They don't give a damn. They're going to look at this girl right here, right? That T-fin gal, yeah, and she's proud of it too. You know what, dirty, I'm proud. Watch this video and then we'll talk about it. Here's the video.
The blood clan me. Nobody now draw me out and nobody now boots me and nobody now egg me on. Me touch the security man and ask him what the problem. And him said don't touch him and me throw the something on my hand down and the man spit on me. I don't give a fuck agree with what me do, but me agree. And me now sleeping in my bed and be at peace. Whether me's a dog shit, a drunk, or a shoplifter, a crackhead, one big dirty stinking blood clot, me. Now make nobody spit by me and me go sleep in my blood clot bed. So nobody now call my phone and tell me should do. Make the police them deal with me for canal, come and blood clot, whatever law them want. Him first spit pan blood clot me, nobody not dictate to me. I don't give a flying fuck.
Alright, you see that? That's what you call fully disgraceful, right there. This is what you call fully disgraceful. Now imagine, this girl is known for stealing from this particular store, right? The people them tell her don't come back to the store no more. So you know some of these places, when you get caught shoplifting there, them carrying at the back room, right? They make you do like this. Take your picture. They might not arrest you or press charges. They post a picture of you in the back. Break room. Any employee sees this person on the floor out there in any department, alert security. She apparently went to the people's store. Someone alerted security. Security confronts her. Hey ma'am, I'm going to have to ask you to leave the store. What I say? I'm going to have to ask you to leave the store.
Call them. Why you first spit from me? Go suck your mother and take back that pussy. On the can't do nothing in a mother care. Call the police man, put on up a blood clot social media. Move your blood clot. Spit up in blood clot. Go ahead. Hold that. A 4 times spit on your pussy. Move your blood clot. See dirty man there? Yeah. See him there? Oh. Move your blood clot. Spit up on your pussy one. What you feel like? Gonna call the police? Are you first spit from a pussy? Come. Oh. I'm not touching me. Spit you up. How you feel like? Pussy, I think you can't do me not show me coming out. Me not teeth nothing out of this. Lick me, because you're on camera. Lick me.
Man must say st. You know, some people say st. And spit on you. I don't know if that's what happened, but she's claiming that he spat on her first while talking to her. Anyways, this is her reaction. You see her reaction? And following the man around, spitting on the man. This is Jamaica's best right here. This is what we give visa for fly out to go foreign. And you have some people in Jamaica that's been applying for a visa for years, trying to get one little opportunity. And if they get that opportunity, they will really make something of it. And you have this thief right here, so, right? And this is who embassy give visa to go overseas to England to represent us well. The sad thing is, there's a lot more like this. Just like this, right here. We see them all the time. When they fight after the club, no panty. Come suck out on the train. Leave your comment in the comment section below. I'm ashamed. Alright. I'm out. Peace.